Hello, once again Richard Dupey here, and this is Aseda. I'm going to make it simple, but let's see this thing. Yesterday our national fairless, but let's go for this thing and see how it is. But before I go to the main plan, let's go to national first. There is something here you can see. You see that they play 43. It's 43 that they play that. 3 weeks down, 1, 2, 3. The 43 jump. That play with the 40. The result for national. This particular national, you can see. That is how it is. The 43 play 3 weeks down, then a jump and play with the 40. The 40 is it's. The 40 is the bonanza of the 43. That is why I play the 2. So moving from there, let's see the Aseda current and see how it is also. So Aseda current, you can see also the 43 play over there 3 weeks down, 1, 2, 3. The 43 is supposed to jump and play with the 40. So 40, 43 again for Aseda, 2 numbers. People will just shout and say they play national's number again 2. So that is how it is. Now let's move to another national and see the same number. And in national again in the year 2020, you can see at event 2995 they play 75 singing 8, 75 singing 8. So following you can see the 40 43 over there again, 40 43. They play these two, 75 singing 8. Then following with 40 43. They use singing 8 to lock the event in the middle. Those ones are just confirmation. Now let's go into the Aseda itself. Aseda itself. It starts from in the year 2022. That is from event 8. Event 8. They play 33. 4 weeks down. 1, 2, 3, 4. They play 55. Then you count 6 weeks down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They play 48. 5 weeks down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They play single 1. 4 weeks down. 1, 2, 3, 4. They play 41. 81, not 41. They play 81. You can see the 81. They play 43. The 43 following week they play under the 81 in machine. So when you count from the 43 also. 1, 2, 3, 4. They play single 2. 3 weeks down from the single to 1, 2, 3. They play 40 at center. Then they play 64 in each machine. So you can see the 81. That 81 will come and play with the 41. The 40. This 81 will come and play with the 40 to give us 81 40. To show 81 40 because you can see the 40 is at center. The 40 is supposed to repeat and play with the 81. The 40 is supposed to repeat and play with the 81. So you can see the 43 itself is also there. It's this 43 that they carry to come and play. But the current, they play it in machine. So when you watch it at current, you can see at event 74, that is the 33. Then you count from the 33, 1, 2, 3, 4. They play 55. 6 weeks down from the 55, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They play 48. 5 weeks down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They play single 1. So from the single 1, 4 weeks down, 1, 2, 3, 4. The 81 will play over there. So as the 81 play, you count from the 81. Even before we move from the 81, you can see that they're supposed to play the 43 here. The 43 here, but they play it in machine. The only thing that I am scared of is the ND3 under the 81. The ND3 that is 13 under the 81 over there. That 13, if you watch carefully, you see that both of them play over here. So as for the jumping numbers, the 13 can come, the 43 can also come. So this 13 under the 81 is also good. But this is the 43, they put it in machine. So from the 43, you count 1, 2, 3, 4. Then they play the single 2, 1, 2, 3. Then they play the 40 at center, 64 in machine. So following week, they're supposed to play the 81 and then the 40, 81, and then the 40 repetition to play with the 43. That is what I am picking. So this is the event that I'm using. But even before that, there is something in national that I used to show more time. If the 40 play at center, it plays several times. You can see it over here again that the 2 shot is also here. But you see, I've shown it last that they play the 13 following week 40. If you come to Aseda's current also, you can see they play 13 following week 40 at center. So as the 40 is at center, the 40 is supposed to repeat and play with it counter. As you can see, the 40-85, that is what this plan is supposed to play. But I'm using the 81. You can see the 81 one, the one with the 81 is the main event here. The 40 is supposed to repeat and play with the 81. It's the same thing that is also on the event here. The 40 is supposed to repeat and play with the 81. So that becomes the 2 shots. So if you want to try the 40-85, you can try it. But this is the event that I'm using for Aseda. That is event 30 in the Aseda paper itself. Numbers on the event are 57, 26, 81, 40, and then 43. I already show you what the 43 is. You can see that they play the 43 the following week, that the 81 play. But here they intentionally put it in machine, trying to confuse us. The 81 play, following week they play it in machine. You see? So this is the event. Event 30, numbers on the event 57, 26, 81, 40, 43. Event 30, 57, 26, 81, 40, 43. Hey, the 21 also play in 26 also play in the national. Okay, we hope for this event to drop national numbers for us to win at least these 3 numbers, 81, 40, 43. Okay, hopefully we get our wins. Bye for now.